Hey, I'm Hannah, and welcome to this week's featured amenity with Retirement Resource Guide. Today, I'm with Patrick Schrader, the Wellness Director at Cambridge Village Apex. Patrick, the Optimal Living Program is a health and wellness program that is personalized for each resident, and fitness coaching is a key element of this program. Can you walk us through what each resident experiences?
Yes, absolutely. So when we get a resident who is looking for that additional direction when it comes to their health and wellness journey, we want to support them in any way that they can, because everyone's goals are very specific and we don't want to employ a cookie cutter approach. So we would have a resident come into the facility, me or one of my team will be able to do a full scale orientation to get them comfortable with our equipment and our setting. And then we can go one step further and do a personalized assessment to get their baseline sort of data points for their balance, functional movement, and their strength. And based on those parameters, we can then customize a program that they can either do independently on their own or with one of our staff one-on-one for that extra guidance.